On the leg of a fruit fly, something is looking back. A cluster of tiny lenses, hundreds of them, packed into a dome. A working eye. It grew where a leg should be. It didn't happen by accident. Someone switched on a single gene. And it didn't have to be a fly's own gene. Take the matching gene from a mouse, switch it on in a fly, and an eye still grows. The same instruction, read across more than 500 million years of evolution. It has a plain name, PAX6. It sits on chromosome 11. But it doesn't build the eye itself. It's a switch, a protein that lands on the DNA and turns on the hundreds of genes that do. The master switch for making an eye. It was found 3 times over. In the fly, a mutant with no eyes at all, eyeless. In the mouse, one with shrunken eyes, small eye. In people, children born without the colored ring of the iris, aniridia. 3 species, 3 defects. Nobody knew it was the same gene. So Walter Gering's lab in Basel tried the opposite of breaking it. They forced the gene on, deliberately, in tissue that should never hear it. A wing, an antenna, a leg. And the switch they used wasn't even the fly's own. It was PAX6, taken from a mouse. Eyes grew there anyway, complete ones. Look closely at the eyes that mouse gene grew. They're fly eyes, faceted, compound. The fly's own design, not a mouse's. The switch came from a mouse. The blueprint did not. PAX6 gives just one command, build an eye here, and the fly answers in its own language. The switch is universal. The eye it builds is local. In us, PAX6 comes in 2 copies. Lose the function of just one, and it isn't enough. The iris never fully forms. The center of the retina stays unfinished. This is aniridia, 1 gene running at half its dose. And the eye isn't all it builds. The same switch runs in the growing brain, in the nose, in the pancreas, where it lays down the cells that manage blood sugar. Lose 1 copy, and the iris suffers. Lose both, and an embryo forms with no eyes at all, and no nose. 1 gene drawing up organ after organ. For a century, biologists thought the eye had been invented over and over, dozens of separate times across the animal kingdom. 1 gene, shared from flies to mice to us, told a different story. The same ancient switch, kept for 500 million years. And now, for children with aniridia, the search is on to coax a broken copy back to work. Eyeless in a fly, small eye in a mouse, aniridia in a child. 1 switch at the top of it all, the gene channel.